Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a carousel in Wix. We will go through the entire process, from adding the initial element to customizing its content and settings. Carousels are fantastic for showcasing multiple images or pieces of information in a compact space, making your site more dynamic and engaging for visitors. It's a straightforward process that can significantly improve your website's visual appeal and user experience. To begin, open your Wix editor and locate the Add Elements button, usually found on the left sidebar. From there, you'll want to click on Interactive to reveal various options, including different carousel and slideshow designs. Simply select the one that best fits your vision and drag it directly onto your website page. You can then resize and position it exactly where you want it to appear. Once your carousel is on the page, click it to open the Settings panel. Here, you can manage your slides, adding new ones or deleting existing ones. For each slide, you can upload images, embed videos, or add text and buttons. You'll also find extensive design options to customize colors, fonts, borders, and even the transition effects between slides, ensuring it perfectly matches your brand. Finally, dive into the carousel settings to fine-tune its behavior. You can enable autoplay, set the slide duration, and choose your preferred navigation arrows or dots. Always check how your carousel looks on both desktop and mobile views to ensure responsiveness. Once you are completely satisfied with your design and settings, simply click the Publish button to make your dynamic new carousel live on your Wix website for everyone to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.